Good morning, students. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we'll explore one of the most revolutionary parts of artificial intelligence, generative AI. Unlike traditional AI, which just analyzes data and gives answers, generative AI can create new images, music, text, code, even videos. Imagine telling a computer, "Draw me a flying car over the Himalayas," and it paints it instantly. That's the power of generative AI. Generative AI learns from existing data, books, images, and audio. Then it produces something entirely new. For example, when you ask ChatGPT to write a poem, it doesn't copy one. It uses patterns from millions of poems to generate an original one. It's like an artist who studies many paintings and then paints something completely new in that style. There are many kinds of generative AI. Text generators create stories, essays, or scripts. Image generators create artwork or photos that never existed. Video generators can make avatars talk like humans. Music generators compose new tunes from scratch. And code generators help programmers write software faster. Each of these uses data plus creativity expressed in mathematical form. Let's see how generative AI actually works. First, it studies massive amounts of data, for example, millions of pictures or pages of text. Second, it learns the patterns, like how colors combine or how sentences are structured. Finally, when you give it a command, it uses those learned patterns to generate new content that fits your description. This entire process happens through neural networks, complex systems that mimic how our brains recognize patterns. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it doesn't search the internet. It predicts, word by word, what should come next based on its training data. For example, if you type "once upon a time," it predicts that the next words might be "there was a king." This predictive power is how it forms sentences, stories, and even essays, all through mathematical probability. Image generators like DALL.E or Midjourney start with random noise, a canvas full of static dots. Then, they gradually shape that noise into a meaningful picture based on your prompt. For instance, if you say, "a cat reading a newspaper," the model arranges pixels mathematically until a clear image forms. This magic is powered by diffusion models, one of the key technologies behind modern AI art. Now that we understand how it works, let's explore some popular tools. Using just a short description or prompt, you can make AI create something in seconds. These tools are transforming education, entertainment, and creativity. Students can design presentations, create visuals, or make explainers, all with generative AI. With great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI can be misused to create fake news, deepfakes, or biased content. It's important to always verify what AI creates and never use it to mislead others. Remember, AI learns from human data, and if that data has bias, the AI can repeat it. So we must use AI responsibly, ethically, transparently, and fairly. Generative AI can do amazing things. It helps artists, students, and professionals work faster and more creatively. Teachers can generate worksheets, designers can make prototypes, even scientists can model new discoveries. It also helps people with disabilities by generating captions or reading text aloud. So AI is not just powerful, it's inclusive. But no technology is perfect. Generative AI can sometimes produce incorrect or even offensive results, not because it wants to, but because it learned from flawed data. It also can't think or feel, it just predicts. So while AI can assist, it can never replace human judgment, creativity, or ethics. To conclude, generative AI is like a creative partner. It helps you brainstorm, design, and express ideas in new ways. But you bring the meaning, emotion, and imagination. AI provides the speed, humans provide the soul. Together, that's where real innovation happens. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.